Welcome everyone to my presentation today. Today I'm going to talk about the binary opposition of the characters in Maleficent Mistress of Evil. First, I'm going to show you the agenda. The agenda for chapter 1 are background of the study, previous research, problem formulation, scope and limitation, and the last is goals and function. And chapter 2 is method of research, and the last is chapter 3, results and discussion, conclusion and reference. The background of the study of my research are in the literature, structuralism is based on a system that used in the study of language, literature, art, anthropology, and sociology that emphasize the importance of the basic structure and relationship of a particular subject. Maleficent is portrayed as a sympathetic character who is misunderstood in attempting to protect herself and her domain from human. And this is the previous research that I have researched about. The first one is the binary opposition in a Setswana short story, Onukwi by R.M. Melup. In the thesis, Onukwi reveals that the issues of binary opposition regarding modern life and traditional life in Botswana community in Velandaba. The binary oppositions in the short story demonstrates that old stories can still be applied in the current studies of binary oppositions. The second one is the deconstructions of characters in Moana movie by Fitra Ardini AM. The author of this thesis is using deconstruction theory for her thesis. To analyze the deconstruction, the author decided to locate the opposition first. After locating the opposition, the second thing she do is to determine the privilege. The thesis found a neglected term and the marginalized term that ignored by the audience. Then bring it to the surface, so not only focus on the basic meaning, but also how different the characters are. And next is problem formulation. The first one is how are the characters characterized in the movie? And the second is how do the characteristics apply the idea of binary opposition? The scope and limitation are, the scope is, the study is on the evaluation of binary opposition in Maleficent, Mistress of Evil. The limitation is the author focus on the plot, characters, and the application of the binary opposition in Maleficent, Mistress of Evil. The goals and function is to find out how the characters characterized in the movie, and the second one is to discover characteristics, apply the idea of binary opposition. The method of research I am using is using theory and media, and the author is using qualitative method. The method is based on binary opposition theory and content analysis, such as watching the movie, finding the binary opposition elements, and identifying the characters' characterization. The theory are plot, characters, and characterization, and binary opposition. The media I'm using is Maleficent, Mistress of Evil. The results and discussion. The theory of binary opposition is a concept that I'm using to explore differences between groups and individuals, such as the gender differences, class, cultural, and more. This research analyzed that about the characters' roles as protagonist and antagonist, or villain and hero. People always think that a villain will always be an antagonist because of their harmful doing. But in this movie, the structuralism is not absolute. Villain is not always be an antagonist but they can also be a hero at the same time. For example, like good and bad, rich and poor, weak and strong, tall and short, smart and dumb, man and woman. The conclusion of this research aims to improve both readers and the author knowledge about the binary opposition and exploring more deeper between two groups and individuals and what can result from perceived difference. And these are the reference. Thank you for listening.